Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P E-mini futures. Today is Friday, August 26th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. We are showing 3 valid trade setups for a potential profit of 31 ES ticks. We are also showing 5 additional trade setups that we use inside the Shark Den for a max potential of 87 ES ticks. The market opened up this morning at 11:51. That's represented by this white dotted line. We don't trade the first 15 minutes of the day from 9:30 until 9:45 unless the market opens up with a trade setup in the direction of the gap fill. It did. In this opportunity, we had target 1 and target 2 for a total of 14 ES ticks. The yellow represents trades that we are not counting for our daily trade plan, again, because it's in a no trade zone. We then had 2 major news announcements, one coming out at 9:55, which was consumer sentiment, and Ben Bernanke's speech at 10 o'clock. We tried to be out of a trade at least 3 minutes prior to any news announcement. We didn't have any trade setups prior to 10 o'clock. However, from this period of time to this period of time was 1 solid minute. The volatility picked up. We wanted to wait for the dust to settle. Whether the trade set up or not, we chose to stay out and sit on the sidelines until the dust settled. The market found support down here at the Globex range low, began a nice gradual bounce to the upside, found resistance at the opening price, but that was short-lived, pulled back, broke through opening price, worked its way up into our longer term charts. We're now showing positive. We have what's called an anchor chart, longer term charts. And then we had an opportunity to get short. We got hit, but did not get filled. We then found support again at the opening price, and this was just a nice, obviously a shakeout. We had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 16 ES ticks. Now we also have a longer term time frame called a hook pattern that we entered here, right where it says yellow entry. Total profit trade was 56 ES ticks. A lot of traders scaled out on their way up. Some traders actually held it for the full profit target up here all the way up to 1166. Market then sold off very heavy. We did not have any opportunities to get in for a short entry. Another opportunity to get long, target 1 and target 2 for a total of 17 ES ticks. Market retraced, found its resistance up here at the Globex range high. We then went into a no trade zone from 11:30 to 1:15, period of time of generally lower volume and higher volatility. Coming out of the no trade zone, we broke through the hourly range high, found it as support, broke through, worked our way to the downside, support again on the Globex range high, attempted an opportunity to get short on what is called a dive trade. We got a full stop out, minus 16 ticks. We then had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit and we got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. Keep in mind, we don't take our trades unless our anchor charts or our longer time frame charts are in our favor. With that being said, we had another opportunity to take a dive trade, and then we took a positive 11 ticks. Found support, lower lows on our price action, retracement, opportunity to get long, target 1 and target 2 for a total of 22 ES ticks, which is what's called a wave trade. That's where we have the same setup on 3 separate time frames. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the TraderShark trading manual and trade plan, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.